Are peanuts anti-aging? Peanuts, especially the skins, contain resveratrol, a bioactive nutrient found to have anti-aging properties that protect cells from being damaged. And the fats found in peanuts can help ease joint pain caused by inflammation and wear and tear over the years. Large prospective cohort study showed a strong and consistent inverse association between regular nut consumption and incident frailty. This suggests that nut consumption should be further tested as a convenient public health intervention for the preservation of Alzheimer's disease and age-related cognitive decline. Peanuts are a popular and nutritious snack that have been shown to have tremendous effects on aging. These nutrient-dense nuts are rich in antioxidants, including resveratrol and vitamin E, which can help to combat the effects of aging on the body. Peanuts are also high in healthy fats, which can support heart health and reduce the risk of age-related diseases such as cardiovascular disease and diabetes. In addition, the protein in peanuts can help to maintain muscle mass and strength as we age, which is important for overall health and mobility. The combination of nutrients found in peanuts can also support cognition and brain health, helping to maintain mental sharpness and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Furthermore, the fiber in peanuts can support digestive health and help to maintain a healthy weight, which is important for aging well. With all of these benefits, it's no wonder that peanuts are considered a superfood for healthy aging. Including peanuts in your diet as a regular part of your healthy eating plan can help to support overall wellness and vitality as you age.